Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here. It's a Portuguese one and you just have to add your birthday in 2023, 2024 and 2025. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram app, and from here you just have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram account you have to go to add yours 2022 add highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to add yours 2022, and from here you just have to tap until you find a desired sticker, just like this. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and then I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. You can choose a photo with you if you like. From here you can place your sticker where you want and then go to text from the top of the screen and type in your age in 2023, 2024 and 2025. In my case, I will have 24 years in 2023 and then 25 years in 2024 and then 26. You can now click on the done icon from the right top corner and place that where you want and then share it with your friends. So yeah guys, that's it. Now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram account and from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on the add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to a YouTube tutorial which has only 2 or 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.